Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm just going to be doing a get ready with me. And let's just jump into it. So I'm going to go in with my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream Moisturizer. I'm just going to get like a little dollop out. I'm going to put some here, 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 and here. And as you can see, I have like really red skin, but we're going to cover all that up, so it's going to be good. And I'm going to take my Smashbox Primerizer, which is a primer and moisturizer. We're just going to apply this to the face too. You just want to push all that in. Okay, so now I'm going to be going in with the Hourglass Foundation. It looks like this, and I'm in the shade Beige. I'm just going to put like 3 stripes on each side of my face. 3 in the forehead. Okay, so I'm going to take my Morphe M439 brush to blend this out with. And I'm just going to push it into the skin. And I really love this foundation because it doesn't cling to any of my dry patches. And it's so full coverage. And like, I don't even have to touch it up throughout the day. Okay, so now I'm going to jump into my eyes, and I know some people might think that's weird, but I just jump around a lot. And I'm going to be using the Urban Decade Primer Potion in Eden, and I love this stuff. And I'm going to be taking this Morphe brush just to blend it out with. And you want to work fast because this stuff dries really quick. And I didn't put any foundation up here under my eyes because I'm going to be going in with my concealer, and I don't want it to be too cakey. Okay, so now I'm going to go into the Mauve Obsessions palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here just to set my eyes with. I'm using a Morphe E23 brush. You just want to buff that on there very lightly. Okay, so today I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette, and I'm going to be going into the Warm Brown Obsessions palette too. So, I'm going to show you guys swatches of that really quick. Okay, first we're going to go in with the Mauve Obsessions palette. And we're going to go into this shade right here. And then we're going to go with this one. And then this one. This one. And then we're going to go into this one. Okay, so now this one. With the white one. We'll put this one right here. Okay, so now I'm going to swatch the Brown Obsessions palette for you guys. I'm going to go with this one. I love this orange shade. It's so pretty. And I love this red one too. I have almost all of the Obsessions palettes, besides I think the smoky one it is. But all of the ones I have are amazing. Which is Mauve Obsession, Brown Obsession, and then I have the electric one, which has a bunch of like bright colors in it. And they're all amazing. Okay, now we're going to go into this one. There's all the shades, and I think they are so beautiful. Okay, so first I'm going to go into the Warm Brown Obsessions palette, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here as my transition shade. And I'm going to be going in with my Morphe M441 brush. Okay, so now I'm going to go with my Morphe R37, and I'm going to be taking this pink shade right here. And we're just going to go below the transition shade. Okay, so now I'm going to go into the Mauve Obsessions palette. And I'm going to take my Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to go into this shade right here. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Morphe E17, and I'm going to go into this shade right here. I'm just going to put it on the outer corner. Okay, so now I'm going to go with my M507 brush, and I'm going to go into this deeper shade right here. We're going to put it on the outer corner as well, but we're just not going to drag it out as much. The Maybelline Color Tattoo eyeshadow, and it looks like this. And it's in the shade Gilded Roses. The stuff dries down in your eyes and it stays all day. So I'm going to take a little Morphe brush. This is like a concealer brush or a flat eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to carve out my lid. So you want to take it, put some in the middle of your eye. Drop your eyes if you have hooded eyes, and then raise them, And do you see that? That's the line that you're going to follow. It's going to be your guideline, basically. And now I'm going to take my glitter liner by Urban Decay, and it's called Midnight Cowboy, and I'm just going to outline the cut crease. I just took this shade right here, and I darkened things up, like, right on the outside here. I'm going to go with my eyeliner, and I'm using the Physicians Formula eyeliner. I swear every time I try to say physicians, I can't say it right. But anyways, I'm going in with this, and I really like this eyeliner. I'm just going to take a makeup wipe, and I'm going to clean up my eyeliner. I'm going to take my beauty blender, and I'm just going to go over my foundation again just to make sure nothing's creased. I'm going to highlight, and I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape in light medium. I'm also going to be taking my Wet n Wild concealer in the shade White Ivory, just so to brighten things up a little bit more. I'm going to take my beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend all this out. And you want to make sure it's blended very nicely. Okay, and when I do my nose, I like to squeeze my beauty blender like this. I'm going to take my Born This Way by Too Faced, and I'm just going to set everything. Take your beauty blender, dip it in there. While that's baking, I'm going to go into the Better Skin by Maybelline, and it's in the shade Rich Tan. And I'm going to take my Morphe brush. I'm just going to dip it in there. I'm going to set the rest of my face with this. I'm going to take the Morphe M438 brush, and I'm just going to dust the powder away. Alright, I'm going to take the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula, and I'm just going to bronze my face a little bit. And what I like to do is just like push, lightly buff it out. I'm going to take my contour palette by Kat Von D, and we're going to go into this middle shade right here. And I'm going to be taking my Morphe R10 brush. And I'm going to go into the high points of my forehead, just right here, and blend a little bit on there. So now I'm going to take my Luxie 207 brush, and I'm going to dip into the lightest shade right here, very lightly, and I'm going to contour my nose. I like to start up here by my brow. Now I'm just going to blend it out. Okay, and I'm also going to take some of that, and I'm just going to put it under the lip, just to make that powder effect. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with my Too Faced powder. I'm just going to take a little bit, and I'm going to take my fan brush by Morphe, and I'm just going to dip this in here. And I'm just going to go over my contour just to lighten things up a little bit and to help blend it out more. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Too Faced powder, and I'm going to clean up my contour a little bit. And I'm going back into the Warm Brown Obsessions palette by Huda Beauty. And I'm going to go into this shade right here and run it under my eyes. And I'm going to be using the Morphe E36 brush. Okay, I'm going to go into the pink shade. Okay, so now I'm going back into the Mauve Obsessions palette. And I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And I'm going to go in with my eyeliner, and it's Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Perversion. I'm just going to put it like near my outer corner on my waterline and my lash line. Okay, so I'm going to dust this away really fast. Now I'm going to go in with my Morphe M432 brush. It looks like this. It's just a flat definer brush. And we're going to go into this deepest shade and blend it in with the eyeliner. I'm going to go in with my mascara, and it's Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. I'm going to go in with my Clinique mascara. It's a little teeny mascara. And I'm just going to go in and do my bottom lashes. I'm going to go with the Tarte blush. And it's in the shade Party. Just going to take my Lexi 514 brush, which is a blush brush. Just going to tap it in there. And go to the apples of the cheek. And there's no mirror in this. That's funny. Okay, so I'm going to be going on with a light lash today because my eyeshadow is so dramatic and I don't want to hide all the work that I've just done. So I'm going to go in with the Kiss Lashes, the number 11. Just really simple and fine, but still really pretty at the same time. I'm going to be going in with the Duo Glue in the green label. And then I like to take my tweezers and just mush them together with my lashes. I really love wearing these lashes with a dramatic eye because it doesn't hide anything. You can see everything, but they still just look really beautiful. I'm going to go with my brows, and I'm going to be using the Revlon Color Stay Brow Pencil. And I really do not like this, but it's the only thing I have right now. I can't find my Maybelline Brow Precise Micro Crayon, and that's what I usually like to use. What I like to do first is outline under my brow. And I like to make hair-like strokes at the front. I'm going to be going in with my lips, and these are the Wet n Wild liquid lipsticks. This one is in Rebel Rose, and this one is in Nudist Peach. I'm going to go in with this one first. Okay, so now I'm going to take Nudist Peach. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my highlight, and I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Sun Dipped. And we're going to be taking Summer and Moonstone. We're going to mix them together. I'm going to take some and put it above the brows. You guys don't understand how bad it drives me crazy not to have my brow pencil. Okay, I'm going to take them 2 shades again, and I'm going to highlight my nose. Usually I highlight my Cupid's bow before I do my lipstick, but I'm kind of in a rush, and yeah, shit happens. Okay, so now I'm going to go into this contour palette. It's by City Color, and I got it in my Ipsy bag. But I really love this shade right here for inner corner highlight. I'm using my Morphe M213 brush. Okay, and I'm also going to put some on my brow bone. Okay guys, so all that's left to do is set the face, and I'm going to be using my Urban Decade All Nighter Spray. And when you use this, you want to hold it back because this thing has some power to it. It's crazy. What I like to do is take my beauty blender and just press everything in. That way it makes it look like skin again. Okay, so I'm going to take my fan, and I'm just going to fan my face so my lashes can dry again. Okay, so I think that's just about it, guys. I want to thank all my babes for watching my video. Like, I really appreciate it. You guys just don't even know. So, I think this look turned out really beautiful. Let me know what you guys think. Just comment down below. Please like my video. And if you aren't, please subscribe. You don't have to, but I'd appreciate it if you did. But you don't have to. You don't have to do any of that. But thanks for watching anyway. And I hope everyone enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. I love you all. Bye, guys.